video is going to give you a quick walkthrough of the GetFitMining.com Web3 site. When you hover over the wallet, you'll see a drop down that will give you a list of options to choose. Let's go to the dashboard. We give you the option to create a referral code, and you would just click the pencil and you would add what you want to use as a referral code. And once you save it, you will need to have BNB in your wallet because it does record it to the blockchain. This is where you would add your sponsor's wallet address. And this is also where you will claim your commissions that you've earned from any of your sales. This is where you can see your list of referrals and their purchases. Up here to the left, you'll see My NFTs. That will take you to the dashboard where you'll get a list of your NFT miners inventory. This will take you to the staking page, the evolution page, and then also the marketing page where you will see the marketing links that you can use, either the URL link or the QR codes. When you tap the logo, it'll take you back to the home page. This is where you will click to mint your NFT. You can click here to be taken to PancakeSwap to purchase GFAM, or you can click on the Pancake button. To download the GetFit Mining app on your mobile device, you can go to the Google Play Store or tap this button, and to download the app for the Apple iOS device, you can tap here, download from the App Store. This is where you can view the most recently minted GetFit Mining activity miners. You just tap on 3D and it will bring you up the recent NFTs that were minted. And down here are our social links for Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, Reddit, Telegram, and Medium. That concludes the quick walkthrough of the GetFit Mining Web3 site.